like what he said, I don't mind taking someone to jail right now. So it's either you guys are gonna move, or you're gonna go.
Take me to jail.
No, please, no.
On April 6, 2025, a parking dispute at a Hollywood, Florida boat ramp escalated into a felony arrest after a man physically blocked a parking space and refused multiple lawful orders to move.
Thank you for coming, man.
Yeah.
They're sitting right there on the spot. They don't let anybody park.
Alright. Yeah, I got it.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, you guys can't be blocking the spots like that, alright? You gotta go. Because you're standing in the road, dude. You get out of the roadway. You need to calm down first off. First off, you can't be standing in the road and you can't be blocking parking spots.
Well, he hit me with his car.
First off, you can't be standing in the road and blocking parking spots. That's why you probably got bumped, right? Because you're standing in the road,
is that
right?
legal?
If you're standing in the road, yes, come on, man.
It's legal to hit somebody with their car.
You're standing in the road, right?
Oh, so now it's legal.
Let me see the video.
She has it on video.
Are you hurt? Do you need rescue?
Excuse me.
Do you need rescue? Sir, do you need rescue?
I don't need to talk to you, sir.
Okay, goodbye.
We already
Alright, this is for trailers.
Yes, we already paid.
You can't just block parking spaces though.
But these people
That's
are
not how this works.
blocking
So you
us.
can't just block parking spaces.
But we paid
Look,
for
sir,
it already.
the road was blocked, so we
The
wouldn't.
road is still blocked because of this right
No,
now.
they were blocking it, so how are we gonna park?
It's because they
We already paid.
We already
You
paid.
can't come over here and reserve spots.
We
That's not how it
already
works.
paid.
You can't come over here and reserve spots.
It's not
Where,
reserved.
You're standing in it.
We were here already.
where is the sign that
Where's
said
your
that
car? Your
we
car's not here.
can?
It's right there. The car's right there. We had to
trying
go
to
around
park.
since you couldn't resolve the road blocked here. That's not
Move
on
out
us.
of the
That's
way
on
so you
you.
can park
That's
his
not
trailer.
our problem.
Move out of
You
the
had
way.
to resolve the road
Move
block,
out of the
right?
way so he can park his trailer.
I don't have to move out of the way. Where's the sign?
Where is the sign that
Where's
said
the
that
sign?
we
You're
can?
just gonna block the roadway at this
Where's
point.
the sign?
Excuse me. Where is the
Listen,
sign that said?
Don't touch my
Excuse me.
mouth. Don't touch
No,
my
no,
mouth.
Alejandrito, por favor.
First off, don't
Excuse
touch
me.
my
Calm
mouth.
down a little bit.
Excuse me.
Calm down a little bit.
Excuse me. Where is the
Calm
sign?
down a little bit.
Where is the sign that said that I can reserve?
Stop. Go over there. Just go over there.
Why is he parking? Why are you parking in our spot?
You can't reserve spots.
For which one?
There's no
Where
sign.
is the sign?
But they're
Where's the
blocking
sign that
us.
says that?
Where is the sign
It's
that
a
said
general
that
rule
we
parking
can
lot.
But
reserve
there's no
the
sign.
spot?
You can't do that.
Where is the sign?
We're
It's
in the
first
parking
come,
space.
first
Where is the sign that
We're
said
in the
that?
parking
There
space.
doesn't need to be a sign for
Where
that.
is the sign that said that?
Now you just want to stand here. and
I
be
reserved the spot and I pay already.
Okay, that's a civil issue you can take up with the city.
Where is the sign that said that?
There doesn't need to be a sign.
Why?
Okay, wait.
Because there doesn't need to.
No.
It's parking.
Okay, the solution, since everybody wants this spot, and
guys
we were
wanna
trying to
use
get
other
here,
parking?
where
You
do
can
we
go to
park?
Holland
Because we
Park.
already paid. Where
You
do
can
we
go to
go?
Holland Park.
We already paid. Where do we
Listen
go?
what I'm saying so I can tell you. You can go to Holland Park. There's
Hold
another boat
on,
ramp at
But we
Holland
gotta
Park.
drive out. Our boat is there in the water already. We were trying to get here, and these people
Someone can drive the boat over to Holland Park when you guys gonna ramp up.
do that. Why? Because they want to park here. Because we
You guys,
paid and we
they
told
got
them.
here first.
No, they didn't. We did.
Obviously, he's here first.
The road was
No,
blocked. We couldn't park because it was
we couldn't
blocked.
get in because it was blocked.
But you can't come over into the parking lot and reserve spots.
There's no sign that says that.
What is the sign that said that?
You don't need a sign to say that. Though.
Why?
It's called blocking the roadway.
No,
it's a
not.
ticket.
It's not a
Why?
roadway. It's a parking
No,
space.
so because this guy hit him, then nobody cares
Let
about
me see the
that,
video.
right? Nobody
You see the
cares.
video? Come
I
on.
was standing there. He hit me. He bumped me with his car, man.
Let me see the video.
I don't even know if it recorded. I was so damn nervous. He hit him. Look, it took the
So you
floor.
didn't take a video. So right now I only have he said, she said. That's all I have.
Well, there's two witnesses right to me. Three people saying the same thing.
No independent witnesses. You guys can't stand in parking spots.
Is there a sign that says that?
It's a common roadway rule.
Where's
You
the
can't stand on
where's
road.
where's the
You can't
road?
stand on the road, right?
And
But
we
the notice
were
needs
It's
to
not a road. This is a parking spot.
This is a road where
No,
cars
it's,
go.
it's not a road. It's a parking spot.
You can agree to disagree with me. I can
All
still give
day.
you a ticket.
We reserved the park
Where's the ticket for?
and pay
Exactly.
already.
It's obstruction of the roadway.
Obstruction of the road. This is not a roadway. This is a parking spot.
Whatever
He
you want.
was trying to go around and they were blocking him. This is a waste of time.
Obviously.
Okay, so can they move so we can park? Because we've been
No,
here.
he got here first.
No,
he
they're
didn't.
not.
He's been here.
No, they're
That's why
not.
he's
He
at
didn't. The other guy you were talking to was blocking everybody,
they're
and we were
not.
here before
He
him.
was waiting for someone to get out so he can get in here.
No, we were already here, and he was blocking everybody.
That's
So
not
we
how that
went
works,
around,
man.
and now this guy's not letting us park.
Wow, I don't understand that you guys are like really going with them instead of us. When we've been here, we paid. The guy almost like ran him over. He hit him with his truck. Where's the justice here? Where's the justice?
Listen, you can go park at Holland Park.
No, we're not going to. Why?
Well, you can't stand in the parking
Why?
spot. You can't park. You can't
We
just
already-
stand
Why
here.
can't we park here?
Because he's trying to park here,
Okay,
and you
well
can't
then
just
they
stand
need
here.
to move out of the way because they were blocking us.
Right now, you're
That's
blocking the
why
whole
we
roadway
couldn't
here
park
because
here.
you're causing this whole disturbance.
No,
because
no.
you're standing in a parking space.
You could fix the problem really quick. Just tell
Yeah,
them to go
I could. I could
around
take
and
all three of you
that's
to
it.
jail. That's how I could fix the
To
problem.
jail for what?
For obstructing of the roadway, causing disturbing the peace, obstruction. Why do you want me to go on?
The primary charge rests on Florida Statute Section 316.2045, which prohibits standing on a public street or highway in a manner that obstructs the flow of traffic. But the statute's key word is public road, not parking lot. Florida courts consistently distinguish public roadways from private parking lot aisles. If the drive aisle here does not carry a public road designation, the obstruction charge loses its statutory foundation and the probable cause basis for the entire arrest weakens significantly. The more consequential issue is the resisting arrest charge. Florida Statute Section 843.02, resisting without violence, is a misdemeanor. Section 843.01, resisting with violence, is a felony carrying up to 5 years in state prison. The difference between those two outcomes depends entirely on what happens during handcuffing. Florida courts have held that tensing the body, pulling arms away, or going limp during an arrest can constitute resistance even without active striking. The subject's statement, "I'm not resisting, I'm really loud," may be accurate, but it does not resolve the legal question. That determination belongs to the court reviewing this footage. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, the deputy's actions must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the scene. A subject blocking a traffic lane refusing orders after explicit warnings with vehicles backed up behind him. Under Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 2001, that set of facts supports a warrantless arrest for a misdemeanor committed in the officer's presence.
On. Your
This is a
dad
nice
has to
Sunday,
go
guys.
in the
Come on.
water
We could go over to
already.
Holland Park. You can park over Holland
It is
Park.
a
There's
nice
plenty of
Sunday.
spaces.
It is
There's
a nice
plenty
Sunday,
of
and
parking
we'd like
places
to
at Holland
park,
Park.
but everybody
no,
else
we have to
is
do this right
blocking
now.
us. I don't know what is the problem. Why
I don't know
can't you
either.
just have them move and we park our? It was
There's
there.
a line
It's
of
in
cars
the
here
water.
because of this.
We were in a line too.
Where's your car?
He's trying to get in.
So he's not
They
here.
blocked him.
But he's not here.
He is.
Where
But
is he?
but you
Where
need
is
How's
to-
he supposed to park if they were
Where
blocking
is
the
he?
roadway?
This guy?
No, he's
So you have two other cars
There is
here.
a car block.
to be able to park here.
No, there
In the
isn't.
spot that we already
There's no
paid
cars
for.
blocking. He's trying to park. He's trying to park.
And we
There's
already
multiple
parked.
cars in here.
Already
There
here.
was a
And your guy
car
isn't here.
there.
We were already here.
You don't need to be here. The car needs to be here.
The car was here and we paid for it already.
Well, the car's not here anymore, so you're not occupying the spot, right?
It's still paid for.
That's not how that works. You left.
Still paid for and
it's
we're still
gone.
here.
That's not how that works.
Car or not, we are still
That's
here.
not how that works.
There's no
But
sign
where
that
is-
says you can't reserve
What
it.
is that
No,
the
that's
sign?
not how that
Where
works,
is the
ma'am.
sign
Come
that said that I can reserve
All
on
right,
the spot?
we're gonna like what he said. I don't mind taking someone to jail right now. So it's either you guys are gonna move or you're gonna go.
Take me to jail.
All right.
No, please, no. Ve,
Stop.
hey, please.
Hey, record this, record
Please, it's a nice Sunday,
It
please.
is a nice Sunday, right?
Back up.
Please,
Back up.
please.
Por un foco y un parqueo, bro.
Aquí, por favor.
Where are you going?
Please,
You're gonna make it more difficult than him.
Y'all having fun with this, right?
Nope, not at all, actually.
So, because I said take me to jail, you're gonna take me? That's the key word?
Mira, Alejandro, ponte la
Back up.
chancleta.
Back up.
La chancleta. Por el parqueo.
Back up. We've been over this. I gave you guys multiple chances.
¿Pero
but
qué
no.
hizo?
Pero
What
¿qué
did
hizo,
he
hermano?
do?
Back up.
What did he do?
¿Qué hizo?
What did he do?
Back up.
¿Por qué?
Mira,
Nosotros, mira, estamos hablando perfectamente. Yo tengo mi mano
Back up.
Yo estoy hablando perfectamente bien. Yo no te estoy hablando mal.
Bad person, so that's what he's gonna get.
Pero él no hizo nada.
¿Pero
Like a
qué hizo?
beautiful
Pero además no
¿Pero
existe.
qué hizo?
Mira, no
We're
existe
trying to tell
ninguna
him to
ley que
leave.
diga
He
que
gets
yo.
trucked in the roadway. You see all these trucks
Pero es
here?
que no existe ninguna ley que diga que yo
You guys
aguante mi
weren't even here.
parqueo.
You guys weren't even here.
But it wasn't even.
These two were here the whole time, okay?
It was.
So I don't need to speak to any of you guys, right?
No, please. Back up.
Vamos por otro lado ya.
Back up. No, no.
Lachi ya, porque
Now
yo
you
no quiero
were
que se
wrong,
vea
right?
nadie más.
Pero es que no se puso
Do you guys need
violento.
anything else from us? Because he's gonna take the ride.
¿Dónde va él?
He's gonna go to Broward County Courthouse,
What?
the Broward County Jail.
Why? Well, yeah.
You guys can read the FPC.
I see that
Why you
you
do
are
that?
doing extremista.
I mean, I'm asking for justice and you take it and do it back.
I told you guys the issue. I told you how to resolve it, but you don't want to listen. You don't want to listen.
En realidad, que fue tan grave como para que se lo lleven.
Alcanzar la plata, señor.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. I'm really not.
Put him in the front again, there's gonna be another problem.
El parqueo hasta lo pagamos. El parqueo.
Five, if the chair's attempting you to tell me.
Let's go.
Yeah, I
Up.
already did that. Feeding for units, everything set for them.
I couldn't breathe.
Have a
I was
seat.
trying to get their attention.
Units arranged. Okay, copy. Yeah, Air 28 units go down response for 46.
Deputies receive a B-. 7 minutes of de-escalation and proportional use of force are genuine credits. The deduction, applying a roadway obstruction statute to a parking lot aisle, is legally uncertain ground that may not survive a defense motion to dismiss. The subject receives a C+. His frustration at the situation may have been understandable, but physically blocking the space, refusing every alternative offered, and saying, "Take me to jail," transformed a civil parking dispute into a criminal matter with felony exposure. The lesson here is straightforward. When law enforcement issues an order in a public space, that moment is not the venue to litigate the dispute. The legally sound move is to comply, preserve evidence, and raise the roadway versus parking lot argument before a judge, where it has a real chance of succeeding. Physical resistance and verbal escalation do not assert your rights, they forfeit them. The courthouse is where legal disputes are won. The street is where criminal records begin. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.